What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Travis. Of course, this is TWA Motorsports, and today it's going to be a relatively quick video, I believe. I've got two things I want to do. The first one, guys, I went to the salvage yard today. Well, it's not really a salvage yard. It's a guy that parts these trucks out on like Facebook and whatnot. And honestly, guys, I went for the dually. I went to get some parts for it, and I found some stuff. But when I was getting ready to leave, I was still looking for a tailgate. I couldn't find a painted tailgate. I just wanted a white tailgate. But what I did find, like right before I left, was an HD hood. And they're kind of hard to come by. And this one's not perfect. It's got a little ding in the front of it. But look, this hood's not perfect either. So, hey, it'll fit the truck, right? I think we're going to see if we can slap it on real quick. It's a direct fit on these Bubble Eye trucks. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop the hood. I think it's 13 millimeters. I will confirm that here in just 1 second. But like I said, it should be relatively quick to get this one off. Kohen's going to help me get this one off and try to set the other one on. Well, it's been a minute since I've taken one of these off, but I completely forgot about the 10 millimeter that holds the light under the hood. Let's take it off. And then I think I'm gonna remember to put this back on, or at least take it completely off. I believe these are 13 millimeters that hold this guy on. I'm gonna leave one in. On both sides. There's a lot. Alright, you got that side? I'm gonna this one out. Got it? Alright. Tripod's about to fall over. Cool, fall down there where I can't get you. Perfect. Let's just sit right here. Maybe we should just leave the hood off. That went like way down there. I'm gonna need the magnet for that one. Well, if I didn't screw things up, it wouldn't be a TWA Motorsports thing. I know I don't show you guys a lot, but I definitely dropped the bolt down there. All right, drop this thing. And get it up in place. Get a couple of these started. All right, that one's in. Alright, so we're gonna set it down and kind of see where it lines it. Oh, no, we're not. We're gonna have to put back a couple more in. Maybe we'll just get lucky and it'll line up. Dirt in that one. don't think it's gonna line up first go. Maybe. Definitely didn't like those back holes, but look, it could have been sitting on the ground, got dirt in it. I didn't even check it. We're gonna slowly just close it down and see how the fitment is. How are we at over there? Pretty close. Okay. Sticks up a little bit, but I think we just need to adjust our little snubbers. Pop the hood again. It's got those little rubber snubbers on it. And I think you just turn them down. They're quite a ways up. We'll go down, I don't know. We'll just bottom them out. See what happens. Not hitting side to side though. Okay, so what do we got going on here? The gaps, the hood we're down, aren't terrible. It needs to come a little bit this way. But the only other adjustment we have is in the latch, so we need to pull the latch down a little bit. So the latch has an extension or a separate adjustment on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to move it down a little bit. We just have to loosen it. Get a swivel. Get the hinge adjusted and it sets way better. The whole hood needs to go towards the passenger or the driver's side just a hair. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a Sharpie. We're going to mark that ledge of the hood, and we're going to slide it over just very little. Okay, so it's not going to be a lot. So we'll mark around everything, make sure we're tightening stuff up back the way it goes, but I think we're almost there. I think we've got it. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. What we may do is we'll go ahead and switch this over. We'll probably end up using that other liner. We're just trying to get it on the road now. Get this back in place. I think that's the way that went. Oh, is it? We have 10. Okay, I think that's all that we're running out of daylight anyway. We're just trying to throw this on while he was here with it. I think we'll leave it at that for now. And then, like I said, I've got something else that I'm hoping gets, I think it came in just now, actually. We just seen the mailman, but I do like the look of that HD hood. And like I said, it wasn't a plan of mine to get one of these, but I saw it sitting there, so I had to pick it up for cheap. The last thing I was waiting on actually took me like a week to get, and that, guys, you've seen this several times, but I hate these long antennas these trucks come with. So I kind of have a go-to brand that I use, and I bought 2 of these. I bought one for the dually as well, so we'll put it on at some point. But generally an 8mm will loosen this guy up. You have no idea how many antennas I have. And this guy comes with, put that in my pocket. We don't need any more scratches in the hood than it already has, I guess. Normally I don't set stuff on the hood, guys, but this is not in the greatest of shape. Sometimes you get lucky and you can put it on, and it will. It's gonna go on like this, right? But in order to do that, we're gonna have to we'd have to unclip this guy, and then it'll screw down. Or you can use these adapters that it comes with. You can see it comes with, it's kind of a universal fit, so it'll fit, you know, just about anything. So as opposed to taking that off, which I'm sure it would break, let's see if we can find the one that fits this. No way I grabbed it. Not that lucky. Well, maybe I am. There's several different thread pitch and sizes. It's definitely not that one. None of them feel like they fit correctly. Let's see if we can get lucky here. Because I'd rather just have it without the extension piece. Let's just see if we can pop this guy off. I don't think that's going to happen. I'm going to go grab a small plastic pick or like a panel removal tool, and we'll kind of wedge our way through that so we're not, you know, we're pushing against it instead of pulling. I don't know if it'll be any better, but maybe. There we go. Most of the time these are broken, especially when they get some age on them. We're gonna have to pop the hood. Just had to pop the hood to get this last one out. Let's see if it's broken. Hey, see what I'm talking about? If you get in those corners, sometimes you get lucky. That is generally not the case with me. But now we could put this guy on direct because it's the same thread as the factory antenna. And then we could set our panel back in place. Just a couple cheap mods. There's one other thing I'm going to do that kind of ties into another video you guys are going to see a little later. But I've got a tailgate that I'm going to put on this just for the time being. I got an extra one. And if you're very careful, guys, here, 8mm will tighten this up and you won't scratch it. It's coated, so I mean, you could put tape on it. I've done that on vehicles before you guys have seen. But there we have it. I don't think that's coming off. Give it one more. Let's see if we can get this guy in with the hood up. Perfect. All right. That looks so much better. Just a cleaner look. Now the last thing, and guys, you'll see more of this coming up in a video soon, but I got a cheap tailgate I'm going to put on here for now. It is, you're probably wondering what happened to our pewter tailgate. Well, like I said, you'll see in a video coming very soon what happened with the pewter one. But this will give us something for the time being. We take trash in this truck, so oh, handle didn't work, or the latches are closed. There we go. Yeah, not perfect. Far from perfect. Yeah, that'll work for now. I actually just replaced the cables on this thing with an extra set that I had. All right, I'm gonna put this on, and the main reason I'm putting it on is because I have an extra. Look, you can do this with the handle on. It's not the preferred method, but it will work. So it's really not the correct one for this truck, but I had it, somebody had given it to me extra, so we got it on there, and it doesn't fit good at all. There's a reason why a lot of these break. There's some cheapies out there, guys, and this one's not going anywhere. It's in there, but gives us a tailgate for now. Well, like I said, guys, I know this was relatively short and we didn't do a ton of stuff, but man, that HD hood looks so much better than that stalker down there, that's for sure. Look, you know, in the daylight, this thing does have some dings in it. I don't know if you guys can pick it up. Looks like it's had a little bit of hail damage in the past, but look, the paint on that one sucked. We may have my painter paint this hood. I don't know, but a couple quick little deals. Like I said, put the hood on. It's pretty easy, guys. If you have some movement side to side and front to back, we did have to move the hinge down a little bit. It still doesn't fit 100%, but look, it's it just looks better. And like I said, we're not trying to create a show truck out of this by any means. I just happened to see that, snagged it up, and it was a deal that I had worked out with the guy I got the parts from. But either way, yeah, so we got it, and figured we'd slap it on there. Of course, the short antenna, guys, I ordered that a long time ago. I try to keep like 3 or 4 of those here because I just cannot stand these long guys. This is just going to go in the pile of extras that we take off. And then we just got a temporary tailgate. Like I said, guys, you're going to see a little more of what's going on with the tailgate situation in a future video. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please, like always, smash that thumbs up button. If you are not subscribed, guys, go down there, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell notification that notifies you every time we drop a new video, and stay tuned to see what we work on next.